Hello everybody, this is Patty and welcome to my page. I am going to be making some cream in New Orleans style pralines. Okay, in Louisiana some people will say pecan candy. That is what I'm making candy tonight. And these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using 7 tablespoons of pure butter. I will use 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of evaporated milk, and I'm using Carnation tonight, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and a cup and a half of chopped pecans. This is my pot that I'll be cooking it in. So I am going to put in my butter right here, and I'm going to melt it on the stove, and then I'll put in my sugar. Okay, we're moving to the stove here, and I'm going to let that melt, and then I will pour in my sugar when that's all melted. And from my sugar, I'll pour in my milk, and after my milk, I'll pour in my pecans, okay? And when it's all cool, then I will put in my 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and I'll put out parchment paper to drop it on, but I'll come back and show you the process.